Hello everyone, welcome to SNS Path. Let's heal and learn together. Today I am Yali here. I am from SNS College of Nursing. Today we are going to see about the topic from anatomy of first sem, first year of nursing students. Let's go into the topic now. At the end of the class, you will be able to understand the structures of our skin and able to apply the anatomical knowledge in the clinical settings. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It covers and protects the entire body surfaces, and it's made up of two main layers, which is of epidermis, outer layer, and of dermis is of inner layer. Below the dermis lies a subcutaneous tissue, which means the hypodermis, which contains fats and helps in the insulants and shock absorptions. In clinical practices, we assess the skin color and temperature, moisture, and turgor, and any breaks in the integrity. This helps us to detect the dehydration, shock, infections, or the pressure injuries earlier. Each layer has the specific functions. We already know which is of the outermost layers of epidermis, which has no blood vessels containing, and also it protects the body from the injury and the infections and of water loss. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. It is made up of the main types of squamous epithelium. It does not contain the blood vessels and is also in this layer. It protects from the mechanical injuries and harmful microorganisms and excessive weight losses. And epidermis is constantly renewing itself. The new cells are formed at the base and moves forward and eventually drying and of forming the tougher outer layer. In nursing, we see these conditions like psoriasis, too fast turnover, or the burns. In burns, this is a loss of this protection layer. It gives the skin its strength and elasticity, which means the layers of dermis. When the dermis is damaged, for example, as in deep burns or the pressure ulcers, in that condition, the dermis will be of damaged. Healing takes longer and may leave off a scar present in it. And nurses must protect the dermis. During the wound care, we have to, our role is to protect the dermis layer it should not be lost, and also we have to prevent the pressure ulcers by regularly monitoring and preventing and repositioning. Well, while we are repositioning, the pressure ulcers will be prevented. So we have to follow this in the nursing care. In that of sweat glands, there are two. In that eccrine gland, present all over the body, helps in temperature and regulation of through the sweat. And apocrine gland, which is of found in axial and grown and becomes active during the puberty time. And sweat helps cools the body through the evaporation. In nursing, excessive sweating or the absence of sweating can indicate the fever, shock, or automatic dysfunctions. We also monitor for the dehydration in the patients who sweat heavily. Sebaceous gland, which is of attached to the hair follicles, they secrete sebum, which is an oil substance which keeps the skin and hair softer and waterproof. And they are abundant on the scalp, face, and axial and groin, but absent in the palm and soil. Blocked sebaceous gland can lead to acne and sebaceous cyst. In early patients, reduced sebum makes the skin dry and prone to cracking. That's why we emphasize in the moisturizing the skins for the geriatric people. Skin color is mainly determined by the melanin, which is produced by melanocytes. The number of melanocytes is usually the same in all races, but the amount of melanin produced varies. In nursing, we assess for the changes in skin color like pallor, cyanosis, or jaundice, which can indicate the anemia or hypoxia or of liver problems. We know the nails are the harder plant, which is of keratin substance. They protect the fingertips and the toes, and the root of the nail is embedded in the skin and covered by the cuticles. The finger nails grow faster than the toenails. Nails, which is our order, had been derived from the epidermis. They protect tips of the fingers and toes. The root of the nail is embedded in the skin and covers with. And we also see in the previous section. In clinical assessment, we look at nails for clubbing, which is for the disease reason like heart diseases, it may be present, and iron deficiency or fungal infection. Healthy nails are the good sign of proper nutrition and circulation. Always remember, intact skin is our first line of defense. As a nurses, we play a major role in maintaining the skin integrity through the proper hygiene and turning and moisturizing. Reference. Thank you for watching SSS Park. If this video helped for your anatomy revision, please like, comment, share your doubts and also subscribe to my channel for the more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.